First up is this cheesy tomato pasta that is super tasty. Begin by heating some oil in a pan and then add tomatoes and garlic and saute this for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add some nutritional yeast, cumin seeds, black pepper and a pinch of sea salt. Continue to stir this around in the pan for a further 3 minutes until it begins to soften further. Then add some water along with some cornstarch dissolved in water, and then I'm also adding some butter beans, but you can add any legume of your choice, and then continue to mix this for 5 to 8 minutes, and then drain the pasta and add this sauce mixture to the pasta and mix this into the pasta until it's completely covered. Then transfer the pasta to a dish and you can serve this delicious cheesy tomato pasta that is also very comforting. Next up is this sweet potato and lentil curry. Begin by boiling some unripe bananas and sweet potatoes. Then in a pan, heat tomatoes and garlic again in low heat. Stir this around in the pan for 3 to 5 minutes until it looks like this. Then add ginger, Italian seasoning and sea salt and add water and keep stirring. I'm also adding shredded coconuts to add sweetness to this and some lentils. Stir and then cover the pan, allow it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes until the lentils has thickened the sauce. I'm also adding cornstarch dissolved in water if the sauce hasn't thickened enough. Mix in the sweet potatoes and the ripe banana into the lentil and tomato sauce until it's all completely covered. And there you have it, this delicious, comforting sweet potato lentil dish. This final recipe is a carrot and turmeric rice bowl, and it does remind me of the carrot and herb ready-made rice by the brand Uncle Ben's, if you know what that is. So begin by cooking the rice in a pan and then heat up some oil and add carrots and spring onions along with table seasoning and turmeric and a pinch of sea salt. Give this a stir and keep stirring for 4 to 5 minutes until it begins to soften, and then we'll add some water to this to turn it into a sauce-like texture. Once everything's cooked, you're going to add it to the cooked rice. And then mix the carrot ribbons and spring onions into the rice until it's all orange like this. And now you have this delicious rice dish that is also very super comforting and tasty. And that's it for today's recipes, and if you liked them, feel free to subscribe for more healthy, delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you soon.